Jay making movies.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, these clean now. But yeah, I agree. They did drop the ball on these, making these women's exclusive. But yeah, that ain't what I'm about to talk about today. I know they ain't gonna do it again. Appreciate you, bro. I know they ain't gonna do it again. I know they ain't gonna do it again. W? Oh, it's that type of. Oh man. Oh yeah, they ain't gonna like this. Yeah, they ain't gonna like this. What's good, y'all? Look, man. I always be telling y'all whenever I be reviewing these type of shoes, I be like, you know, I ain't mad. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, but fellas, it might be that time to start feeling some type of way. Let's talk about it. YouTube, what it do? Family. Man, what's good? What's going on, man? Your boy Jay is here. I'm back with some bitterness, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I ain't bitter. I'm good. You feel what I'm saying? But a lot of people out there, I feel y'all pain. We gonna get to that here in a second, man. But what's good? What's good if this is y'all first time popping out, man? Glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay. I need for you to do one thing. Real simple. Real quick. Yo, cut the music, all that. I need for you to go down. Scroll down. Whoa, that sounded crazy, man. I need for you to scroll down and hit that subscribe button, man. Let me cut straight to it because it's getting crazy in here, man. But make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Join the fam. Kick it, rock out with your boy Jay, man. And if you have already subscribed, you might want to double check, man, because YouTube does unsubscribe people from time to time because they be on that BS, bro. I don't know, man. YouTube, man, let them live, bro. Let us live, man. But yes, make sure that you are still subscribed, and if you are, I truly appreciate you. Make sure the notification bell is rung so you can get notified whenever I do drop these videos, because sometimes I might drop them in the daytime, which is rare, but I still might do that. But most of the times I drop them at nighttime and it just be random. It just drops. So make sure that your notification bell is rung so you can tune in whenever I do drop these videos, such as these early looks that some people are gonna feel some type of way about. Yes, like Rich Homie Quan. When we drop them new J's, make you feel some type of way. Anyways, yes, I do have a shoe that is set to be releasing in early March, y'all, and it is a women's exclusive. So not everyone will be able to obtain this shoe. However, I can fit them, so that means I can get them. Let's get to it. Bang, y'all. What I do have right here comes in a all over white with a gold Jumpman on the box, y'all. Hey, I need y'all real quick before I talk about this. I need y'all to tap into something, man. If you guys want any access to any early shoes or any early info, anything such as that, I need y'all to get in on the sauce. Yes, what sauce is that, man? That is Secret Sauce, y'all. Secret Sauce is a Discord that your boy Jay has been rocking out with for a little bit now, and I've been catching W's, like not like no baby W's, like huge W's, y'all. Most recently, I did catch a W on the Nike Dion DT Max 96 joint. Bang! Yes, these, y'all, very limited exclusive release. There were only 166 pairs in my size, y'all, and by simply using the information that I was given on that app, I was able to secure a pair, man. And they do have pairs such as these that you can get early, and a whole bunch of other perks to the site. It teaches you how to invest in the proper products. It teaches you how to cop for retail, which is one of the biggest things there, man. But it is very informal. Of course, it gives you legit checks. Like the list goes on, y'all. They do so much over there, man. And for a one-time fee per month, it can help you save a lot of money and get a lot of W's on your favorite shoes, like I said, such as these and these, because you know I did take a W on both of these. But check out Secret Sauce, say y'all, they do have 3 packages for you to sign up from, y'all. And like I say, y'all, whenever I be giving y'all the game on this stuff, man, it's to help y'all out. A lot of y'all ask me, Jay, how do you get all these shoes, y'all? It's the sauce, man. I'm putting y'all in, I'm letting y'all get in on this. And the thing about this group, y'all, it's so beneficial to people, and it's such a popular, demanded platform that it has a wait list, y'all. In order for you to join in on this Discord, you have to join the wait list. But nah. You ain't gotta join no wait list, y'all. If you rocking out with your boy Jay, all you gotta do is go down to the description of this video. I do have a link to Secret Sauce. that link will bypass you into getting into the Discord, y'all. You do not have to wait. If you go outside of that link, you will have to join the wait list, because like I said, y'all, it is booming. It is booming, y'all. So take advantage if you guys want to get any W's on any upcoming shoes, restocks, just anything popular, like from Stanley Cups, PlayStation Portables, whatever the hottest thing is they're selling out, they give you the drop, they give you the notifications. That's what I've been on. That's how I get info from when they're dropping, the time, the place, all that, y'all. So you definitely get a lot of great information for a small fee per month. Hey, you can get retail shoes is such as Travis Scott's, like crazy. So don't sleep on secret sauce. Definitely tap in, use that link in the description so you don't have to wait, and man, enjoy getting them dubs, bro. Your boy Jay is putting y'all on. Outside of that, we got these back. Like I said, y'all, it does come in all over white box with some gold trimming on it, and the size tag on this one does read Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro Color Block, and it's sail metallic gold black, y'all. So take a look at the detailing on the box. You do got the gold speckles going all throughout the bottom half, and of course you do got the white portion on the top of the box. When you take off the box lid, we do get just a plain all over white box lid. And shout out to the homie Fine Line 1721 on this one, man. Shout out to the bro, he sent your boy over this pair for the review, and it is actually a personal, so I mean, I bought it from him. But shout out to him. He does have them on deck over at Fine Line 1721. Always early, always legit. You know how that my boy over there, man. But it does have the wax paper with the gold Jumpmans going all throughout it, the baby gold Jumpmans. You do got the lot number right there in the back. It does have a white and green sticker in the cut back there. And outside of that, we do got the Jordan 4 metallic gold. Bang! So yes, sir, we do have the metallic gold Jordan 4s, and these are nice. These are nice, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I did talk my little junk during the intro, but I mean, this won't be for every male, you know what I'm saying? Like, as far as the frozen moment 4s, man, that was definitely a shoe that a lot of males wanted, but a lot of males couldn't get because of the sizing on it. You know, the Jordan 4, of course, off-whites, we were able to get our hands on it because it did go up to extended sizes. However, these will not come in extended sizes. They will stop at 12W, y'all, which is a 10.5 in men, y'all. So, hey, bang, y'all. Here they go right here. As you can see, the all over sail uppers. It is a clean shoe, y'all. It is a very clean shoe. It is almost too clean. I ain't gonna hold you. It is just too clean, because I don't know. These are gonna be a dirt magnet, you know what I'm saying? Because it's just an all over cream colored shoe. Down to look at the tongue, man. The Jumpman is whited out, y'all. The back tab is whited out. So everything is just sail cream, you know what I'm saying? Of course, you do got the metallic gold waffles on the side. I'm not mad at these. These should have released around the same time as that metallic pack where we had the purple, the green, the orange, the red. It should have released around that time. And in talking about those shoes, y'all, looking at the prices of those shoes right now and just comparing it to this shoe, like I said, it's very similar to this shoe. So I foresee this shoe being very valuable, profitable in the future, because I don't know, it's something about these types of shoes that just go up in price. But and speaking of going up in price, man, I mean, it's a women's Jordan 4, and pretty much what women's Jordan 4 has released that hasn't shot up in price, like the frozen moments, what was the name of that green pair? I forgot the name of the green pair that recently released, up in price. Of course, we know how the off-whites do, but pretty much every Jordan 4, y'all, like women's, they go up in price, y'all. The Jordan 1 women's shoes, they kind of flop, but they are always hit when it comes to the women's Jordan 4s, y'all. But these right here is a clean pair. This is a personal for me, but I don't think I'll be throwing these on feet, y'all. I think I'm just gonna hold on to them and collect them. This is not really my style to say, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't see when I would throw these on and be like, okay, I'm gonna rock that, you know what I'm saying? Like, Speaking of too, like even going back to like the women's fours, the Starfish fours, y'all. I sold my pair, but that is a pair that I want to get back in the collection. Dope shoe. I need to get those back, but I don't know if I want to pay resale for them or whatnot. But yeah, these are solid, man. Y'all comment down below. These are releasing, I want to say March 9th. Retail on them will be $200. So yes, man, you can get shoes like I told y'all, such as these and other early shoes over on Secret Sauce's platform, y'all. So it's a lot that you could do on there. Like I said, that's why, you know what I'm saying, people are waiting to get in on it. But yeah, man, clean little shoe, you know what I'm saying. Y'all comment down below, let me know what are your thoughts on it. And yeah, we got them right here. So the white, all over white meshing, you know, like I said, y'all, these gonna get dirty, bro, fast, man. I just want to keep these clean and look at them. And boy, I didn't even talk about this, y'all. I didn't even talk about that quality, y'all. That leather quality is amazing. They did their thing with these, man. So yes, it has great quality on these, and I can bet my bottom dollar, y'all. I can bet my bottom dollar that this will be a very quick shooting up price shoe. Like, these might go down a little bit leading up to the release, but after these release, y'all, these gonna take off. I already know it. It's an all over white shoe. What all over white Jordan 4? Like, if you guys remember the Oreo Jordan 4s, the men's pairs, like, it didn't take long, man. It's an all over white shoe. People are gonna get them dirty quick, so that means pairs are gonna fly. They're gonna run through these pairs, man. So yeah, these going up, man. But the metallic gold Jordan 4 is releasing March 9th. Women's sizes, 12W is the biggest size, unfortunately. Sorry, you know what I'm saying. And like I said, y'all, like the women, they winning right now when it comes to these shoes. Bang! Another one that I did show y'all was the Lucky Green 5s, and I'm like, why is this a women's exclusive? You know what I'm saying? Like, this easily could have been a men's shoe, you know, but it is what it is. Like, I guess I can easily say that I'm not hating because I could fit all of them, you know, so I just buy whatever it is that I want from it. But like I said, for people who really want them that are left out, man, I feel you, bro. I feel your pain, man, because these both could have easily been, you know, a unisex or a men's shoe, in my opinion. But y'all comment down below if you can fit them. Would you get them? And if you do fit them, are you copping them? Are you rocking them? What are you doing with these? But I think that this is a dope shoe. Yeah, if you like them, buy them. If you don't, please let somebody who wants them get them. But outside of that, that is it, man. More women's shoes on the way. That is going to be in just smaller sizes. But like I said, man, it is what it is. Y'all stay blessed. Appreciate y'all for rocking out with your boy Jay. Thumbs it up. I will see y'all back tomorrow. Hopefully I will have the on feet to the Jordan 1 black and whites, man. But we just gonna hope on it. I gotta work on that video. So we'll see what I can do. And y'all stay blessed. I'm gone. Out you. Peace. Go, go. Jay to go, Jay to go.